everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome to the Chuck E. Cheese Birthday Star Extravaganza. We are here to celebrate. Now, for those of you who don't know, when you celebrate your birthday here with me, you are the star of the show. So, who is today's Chuck E. Cheese birthday star? Well, all right. We are so happy you are here to celebrate with us today. And we want to show you how special you are. After all, your birthday only comes once a year. So let's make this one unforgettable. Okay, everyone, let's wish our birthday star a great big happy birthday on the count of three. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy